Namaskaram and welcome back to the channel, friends. So basically, I want to check how far or how high a DJI Neo, the budget drone, can fly without a controller, just by the manual control on our DJI Fly app. So I put a video about DJI Neo, my new budget drone, the unboxing of this drone and further details. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the video in the description, link in the description. So we've turned on the recording as well. Now let's take off.
Take off.
Okay. Now, as you can see, the drone has taken off. Now let us check how far it can go. Let's turn the drone that side and try to go up as well. Yes. Above the tree so that it doesn't hit any tree or something. So that's high enough. As you can see on the right hand side, it shows the Wi-Fi range as well. So with the phone, the Wi-Fi range is quite less. So we are moving forward right now. It's little risky, as if I lose the Wi-Fi signal, I should be able to go and get it as well. So in that way, I have to be careful. I don't want it to lose Wi-Fi signal and fall off somewhere. So as you can see, you can use the app to fly it nicely. Let's take it higher. So we've almost, that's all it can fly. So that's almost, see, we are already disconnected from, it's on and off from the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi signal, through the Wi-Fi, it is quite difficult to get much distance. Maximum, I think 30 to 50 meters is what you can expect with the Wi-Fi. So be careful if you're flying with your phone. You need to be able to, you should be sure that you're flying in such an area where you can get near to the drone and get back the Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, you might lose the drone. What's going to happen is, if you've flown it over some area where you can't get near, and if you lose the Wi-Fi signal, the drone is going to hover, just over there, and then land on whatever surface. It's just going to land. So it's a bit windy today. I can see that wind is kind of the drone is fighting with the wind. It's kind of tilting because of the wind, but as you can see on the footage, it's not that bad. Even though the drone is moving, trying to fight and keep up with the wind, the footage is quite fine. Can't see much of the jittering or shake on the footage. So there's some kind of image stability through the single axis camera, as well as some software stability, I guess. So I'll just show you a rotation movement around. So if you face towards the sun, then you can see the sky is blown out a lot. But away from the sun, if the camera is facing opposite of the sun, then the camera quality is quite acceptable. Signal lost, disconnected from aircraft. So this is the most risky thing.
Max flight distance reached.
And the biggest problem is there is no return to home feature when you're using the app to fly the drone. So that's a big negative thing, where I found that getting the Fly More combo is a much better deal, much better idea. To be careful, where you have the return to home feature. Let me bring it back. and it's quite slow. I'm giving it full throttle to come down with the app, and you can see how slow it is coming back. It's quite slow. So friends, let's check how high can this drone go as well with the app.
Take off.
So taken off. Let's go high. So even going up also is quite slow. As you can see, it's quite slow. They've locked down the speed quite a lot with the app actually. So I believe with the remote, with the controller, you can go much faster. It's gone higher, going higher and higher. Let's see how much more high.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, that's it. That's it, max altitude. It has reached max altitude, and that's what you can see. I'll turn around and show you. So that is what you can actually get with the, and it's getting choppy. The footage also, it's that's because we are losing Wi-Fi connection here and there. So that is the maximum height you can fly the DJI Neo with the app actually. So it might be enough for some of us. I would say if you want to take that beautiful, high flying drone shots, you could do that with the DJI Neo, just like you do with the mini series or mini 4K and all that. Yeah, you can do that as well. But the only thing is you'll need a controller for that, because the controller's radio frequency is much
Low battery.
longer
Return
than
to home promptly.
Wi-Fi signal. So low battery, it says return to home promptly, but the thing is that the app itself does not have a return to home button or any way that you can bring it back. The only thing it does, it can land. See, right now it's critical battery, it's going to land as
Critically low battery warning.
okay.
Landing.
So it's just landing. So if you're out and about, far away, there's no way to bring your drone back. So the only thing it can do is land wherever it is there. Wherever it is, it can land. So it's landing. Luckily, we had just flown the drone just above us on the flat surface on the terrace of the building. So it's fine. It can land there.
Critically low battery warning.
So that is what it can do. That's it. So even the battery, as you have seen, the battery is also, can't last quite long. Maximum 18 minutes is what the company says. But practically, you can expect about maybe 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. Especially as it is recording 4K as well. So you can't expect a lot of battery to last. If you don't have, so many other drones, and if you want to use this as your only drone to do cinematic shots and different kinds of shots to display the area and all that, you need more distance. You need to take the drone to much more distance and much more heights to get that complete view of the places and all that. So getting a remote, the Fly More combo, where you will get more time to fly with the extra batteries, total of 3 batteries, and plus the N3 remote, the RC N3 remote. With that, you can really fly quite far. The max distance that you can, the range of the N3 can go is like around about 8 to 10 kilometers, provided your battery allows that. That's another story. But still, if you can fly quite far, and also the height, you get more height. You can fly much higher than what you are limited. Around 30 meters is not at all enough to get the beautiful drone shots and all that. So I'm planning to order that, and very soon I'll be showing you how much better it is to use the DJI Neo. If you want to use it as your sole drone, you can use the remote and unlock many features like return to home and many other features to get much more better drone shots from just a $200 drone like this. So friends, that's what the video was about. If you have any queries or anything else that you want to know about the DJI Neo, please do comment down below. The comment section is all yours. And if you like the video, it's of any use to you, please do give a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, guys. Until I see you again with another video, bye bye.